Nearly 40 Leon County jail inmates have been separated from general population due to coronavirus concerns after a local vendor tested positive for COVID-19. It's a story we first told you about last night on the news at 11. ABC 27's Chantel Navarro stopped by the sheriff's office today. And Chantel, you've learned the vendor had traveled to New York 2 days before stopping at the jail?
That's right. 5 people are now waiting to see if they have it too. LCSO says no corrections officers nor inmates who had contact with that vendor are showing any symptoms, but family still says that inmates deserve better.
Said, hey, Dad, something weird just happened.
Michael's son Justin has 21 days left at the Leon County Detention Facility. He says his son is one of nearly 4 dozen people in isolation right now after someone stopped by the jail to drop off administrative equipment.
The inmate assisted with helping move some of the equipment from the inside of the detention facility to his vehicle by way of a loading dock.
Deputy Shade McMillian tells ABC only 3 people helped take the furniture off the truck, but now everyone who shares living quarters with them are now separated from general population. The 2 employees there at the time are also in self-quarantine.
We are monitoring the situation, and due to the fact of the health department notifying us of this person and his positive test, we were able to jump on this.
While none of them have shown symptoms of COVID-19, no one is expected to get their test results back until Wednesday at the earliest. Family of inmates say that's not good enough.
The worry is that just because they may not be exuding any symptoms does not mean there could be asymptomatic individuals in there.
If the worst was to happen, McMillian says there's room for at least 140 people to be isolated. 305 people are still working at the jail alongside more than 800 inmates. McMillian says there's not enough masks to go around to inmates, but Michael argues it's the least they could do.
I would like to ask that the jail do something to at least protect these prisoners. If they're not going to release them early, that they need to have proper protective equipment.
The jail is also taking some other precautions, like medically screening every new inmate that comes in and putting them under quarantine for at least 14 days. They've also canceled work crews from the outside areas. In Tallahassee, Chantel Navarro, ABC 27.